Good morning children. Welcome to Narayana Live Classes Key Discussion. Today we are going to learn the assignment number 7 of class 7th. The topic is Europe. And in Europe we know very well about the seasons. We have learned about the agriculture. Today we are going to learn about the different patterns that we observe in the seasons of Europe, right? So, in India, how many seasons do we have? Can you tell me? Yes, you are right. Summer season, winter season, rainy season. 3 seasons are there. But in Europe, we have 4 seasons. In Europe, we have how many seasons? 4 seasons. What are the 4 seasons? Summer, spring, autumn and winter season. Okay, so see here, the first question is based upon that only. The trees in France shed their leaves completely in. See, France, the trees shed their leaves in which season? That is the question. You know very well that in winter season it would be almost freezing temperatures, and that is the reason, to protect the moisture in the trees of Europe, almost all the countries of Europe, they shed their leaves in the winter season only. So, what is the answer? Answer is C. Answer is C. That is winter. That is the answer for the first question. Okay. Now, let us look on to the second question. Identify which is not the principal crop of Europe. Which is not the principal crop of Europe. That means the other crops are the principal crops of Europe. What are the crops? Wheat, barley, rye. Rye is not like our cotton, it is also one of the fiber crop, right? So, what is the other crop that is remaining? Paddy. Paddy is not grown in these Europe. So, paddy is not the principal crop. So, option C, paddy. Option C, paddy is the answer for the second question. The sun does not set at all in this country. The sun does not set at all in this country. So, Britain, France, Ireland and Sweden. See, Britain is known as the country where the sun never sets. The sun never sets. It is known as the sun never sets because it has from east to west almost all the areas has its colonies. That is why it is known as. But here the question is, the sun does not set at all in one particular area. Sun does not set at all. What is that country? What is that country? In Britain the sun rises and sun sets. France the sun rises and the sun sets. Ireland the sun rises and sets. Then the country that is Sweden. Option C, that is Sweden. Option C, Sweden is the answer. Okay children. So, in Sweden the sun never sets. The sun never sets in Sweden. Okay children. Now let us look on to the next one. That is the agricultural seasons in India are 2. That is Kharif and Rabi. Kharif and Rabi. So, the Rabi is the winter season, Kharif is the rainy season. So, here once let us look on to that. What are the agricultural seasons in India are 2. They are Rabi and what is the other one? Hot and wet, monsoons, Kharif and Podu. Podu cultivation type. Okay. Monsoons, they are the winds. Monsoons are the winds. Hot and wet is the climate type. Then agricultural season is Kharif. So, option C. Option C, Kharif. Kharif is the answer for that question. Okay. Now, the snow begins to melt and new shoots appear on trees in which season? Usually in autumn. In autumn it would be somewhat winter. And winter season we cannot see the fruit coming. Summer is the agricultural season. Then spring. Spring is the right answer. Spring means the name itself is showing that the plants they start spring up. So, option C, spring is the right answer for that question. Okay. Now, let us look on to the next part. That is, the summer season in Europe is from The summer season in Europe is from November to December, that is the winter season. March to May, that is not the summer season in Europe. September to October, that is also not the summer season. Then June to August. June to August is the right option. So B, that is June to August. August, that is the option for that. Okay, so these are the MCQs. Now let us look on to the 2 mark questions. Why do you think the sun never sets in the countries like Norway? Norway, Sweden, these countries which are in the northern portions of Europe, in those areas already we have learned as an MCQ that the sun never sets. Why do you think that the sun never sets in these countries like Norway? Because the sun never rises high. The sun never rises high. It never rises high. Then where does it rise? It rises over the horizon. It rises over the horizon. Horizon means what? Horizon is the area where the sky and the earth meet. It seems like the earth and the sun, the earth and the sky are meeting. So in those regions the sun rises. So we say that that is the reason that the sun never, because just above the horizon, like this it would be there, no? Just above the horizon the sun will appear and it will never sink down. That is the reason the sun never sets in these regions. Right, children? And now look on to the next one, that is distinguish between the crop seasons of Europe and India. Europe and India. Let us see the differences between Europe and India regarding the crop seasons. In Europe, we have only 6 to 8 months the cropping season. But whereas in India it is 8 to 10 months. 8 to 10 months we have. And usually it has only one cropping season. It has 2 crop seasons like Rabi and Kharif. 2 crop seasons are there. And one more very important thing is, that is the principal crops. What are the principal crops that are grown here? Wheat, barley, rye, sugarcane. These are the important crops or principal crops in Europe. Then what are the important crops of India? First one itself is paddy. Paddy is the principal crop. Paddy, wheat. What is the other one? Cotton, groundnuts. These are the principal crops of India. So these are the main differences between the Europe agriculture and the Indian agriculture seasons. Right, children? Tomorrow we will meet with one more assignment key. Until then, children, have a good day and have a nice health. Thank you.